This is the AIOS Lite Google ChromeOS Flex. Let's see the unboxing and the basic installation. Now that the device is installed, we need to select a network. Once connected, choose whether this unit is for personal use, for a child, or for work. First, the device will start checking for updates, which will then be installed. It will restart by its own. Now, we need to sign in with our Google account. Please enter your email and password. If you are willing to send diagnostic and usage data to Google, press Accept and Continue, otherwise disable this option. Next, press Accept and Continue to sync all your preferences from your Google account. If you don't want Google to use your hardware data, disable this option. You have the option to either create a unique password or use the same password as your Google account to access to this device. Select the largest display and text size and then press Next. Choose the display theme settings. Now, disable this option if you don't want to receive emails from Google. I suggest a few basic settings. Although we selected the largest display and text size during the setup, for most people, the size is still not large enough. Let's go to Settings, then press on Device. Select Display. On the Display and Text Size option, scroll over the right to Large. Now, go to System Preferences. Press on the Power option, and make sure the Keep Display On is selected. For this AIOS, there is no external operating system and you don't need to go through Android every time you turn on the device. When you turn it on, you go directly to Google ChromeOS Flex. It is like a huge Chromebook for your office or classroom. Collab is an online whiteboard solution from IMAGO that uses Google features. Here I explain the basic setups and sign-in steps. First, we need to open the Chrome browser and go to collab.imago.us. In the upper right corner, you will see this icon. Click on it and then click on Install. Now the Collab web app is installed. Next, let's pin it to the shelf. Open the app launcher, find the Collab icon, press and hold it until options appear. Then choose Pin to Shelf. Now the Collab app is ready to be opened right away. To sign in to Collab, open Collab. Press on Sign In. Then press on the Google button. Choose your account. Then press Advance. After that, select Go to imago.us. Then press Continue and again press Continue in the next window. And that's it! Now you can use Collab for your school, office, or personal use. Remember that you have a 1-year license of the Collab Pro version from the day you purchased your AIOS Lite Chrome. So claim your Pro license as soon as possible. You can collaborate with your students or colleagues in this whiteboard while having a video call, generate images by using AI, share files directly from your Google Drive, and save your notes directly to Google Drive or Google Classroom. There are many other features in this Collab solution, but I will explain them in another video. Now your AIOS Lite Chrome is ready to be used. Thank you for watching.